You'll be alright.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
What's going on, my beautiful people?
Wagwan people.
Welcome back to the Island Family channel.
It's the Island Family.
Yeah, guys, so today we're out on another adventure again. Yeah, going somewhere new, somewhere I guess different and things. So yeah, where are we going?
We're going to Bexhill. It's a beautiful prestige water. I would say prestige water, but it has something to do with back in the days with the mine, like the mines and people like that. I don't know exactly fully, but I think it has to do something with a war zone.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it'd be interesting to go see.
Yeah, definitely. So
yeah, guys, I can't wait. I know that there's not much we can do right now because of the lockdown situation and restrictions and that, but you know what we can, we'll try and get out, you know. Yeah. Once, you know, the lockdown is over, I plan to do bigger visiting and things. Yeah, because our channel, you know, is not to be like a sit at home or, you know, at home vlog all the time. You know, we like to do adventure vlogs. That's our thing, you know. So yeah, we try to do that as much as we can, you know, but also stay in our, you know, with the rules and guidelines, same way, you know. So yeah, and I hope you guys, well, I know for sure you guys are loving it, these videos, you know. So let us know if the videos, because I see some people saying that the videos, oh, they're too short and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys love long videos from us, let us know in the comment section. Let us know. Yeah, so we're on a little gravel road right now. Yeah. Yeah, so we gotta take it slow. So taking our time, concentration. Yeah. And the view is epic. It's cold, like cow farm over there and thing. Australia view is just overall, it's beautiful, guys. As you can see, probably the camera not even doing good enough justice, but it's really beautiful. This never used to be here. Really? This must have been over time, the rain and everything just sort of got into it. But yeah, it honestly, oh my god, look babe, there's a turtle on the road. Is that one like what you saw the last time? I don't know. Guys, that's a turtle. Can you pull over anywhere? There's no car coming. There's no car coming, okay. Guys, there's a turtle. Wow. Wow, it has even moss on it, guys. It has moss on it. Look at its head. What? I'm gonna touch it. Oh, it's trying to like hide. Oh, that's so beautiful, guys. That's amazing, babe. Wow. Okay, go on. Okay. They don't bite. Really? I don't know. No, they don't bite. Just take him off from the shell. I don't know what these things are here, you know. It has claws. Oh, it's in its shell now. Wow. Wow, guys. Alright, there you go. Not messing with nature too much, but there you go. Alright, safe. Wow. That's epic. That's so epic, guys. That's amazing, guys. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow. Yeah. You picked it up. Yeah, I did. Ooh, did it feel funny? Nah. I've lived in Australia most of my life, and I've never picked up a turtle ever. Anything slimy. Yeah, it's definitely coming from the water because it has moss on it, and the it's wet. Wow, so look at these cows, they're having a good life because they got the water right there, and water and food. They got everything they want. That's so cool, right in front of them. That's so cool. Yep. Heaps of cows. Yeah. Some see it, some do it. Yeah. Them a try, I know. No plan for you, no like them, you know. Yeah.
future ahead of me. You make some money. No day. Don't it? Them a tempt me, very envy, can't friend me. Them bad mind, very unkind, it a show sign. Them a tempt me, very envy, can't friend me. Them bad mind, very unkind, it a show sign.
Perfect home. Whether you're buying, selling or renting, we can help you achieve your dreams. It's our family looking after yours.
Something I've noticed, like since I've been out here in the country areas, it's like what you can see a lot is cow farm,
cow farm,
and our stable. Like everywhere, you can tell some of these people own like thousands of acres. Like you can see the land space and where the fence is, you can tell it's massive. Like these people out here, they invest in a lot of farming, you know, so yeah, you can tell. Yeah man, so mainly they I guess they produce the milk and they produce the meat, and lots of horse racing goes on here, and I guess that's what they have most of the horses for.
Yeah. Horses, horse racing, and also just as pets, really. As well.
So it's amazing to see, you know. It's amazing. I just love the view. I love the scenery. The atmosphere is nice as well, you know. It's beautiful. New experience, new changes. Love it. So this is a church, guys. Look how it look ancient.
It's very ancient.
Jesus.
Get married there a lot.
Yeah. It's huge though. Okay. Trinity Catholic College.
So here, as you can see, all these posts have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 posts have like flowers, because there's been like a lot of deaths there on that road, on that particular road. And I find it weird because it's different. Obviously, it's different people all the time.
Yeah.
There's like, they must drive here at night time at a particular time where they get into an accident. And not far from there's a haunted place around here, but I don't know. That's what I was told.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's quite scary because you don't want to be traveling down at night on this road, because it's a lot of accidents happen there. A lot of people die.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah. Scary thing, guys.
Now we're at Bex Hills, and Bex Hills
Bex Hill
is where.
So we're here now, guys. Here. Let's go.
Let's go.
Babe just show me a guava tree.
It's guava, no?
Yeah, guava tree. None of the funny, you know.
Can you take a branch? You can plant it?
No.
You need the root, eh?
Need the seeds.
Ah.
Yeah, that's a guava tree, guys.
People do swim in it.
Yeah.
But they say, come on.
Boo boo.
They say that it's like you can swim in it, but like don't swim underneath too long because of sulfate.
Oh. Come on, Bobo. Take your time, make your steps.
Lucky the ground is a bit dry.
Yeah.
Last time we came it was wet as anything.
Okay.
A while ago. What do you reckon? It's nice, I love those birds.
Yeah.
Island walk!
I just love the atmosphere, guys. Like it's It's just the right temperature. Just feels cool under these trees.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Babe say in summer it's nothing like this. So.
Nope.
So I just have to take it all in, yeah? Yeah, man.
There's heaps of guava trees here.
There's another one?
No.
Nah. I like these little things, they look like flowers.
Yeah.
I like the colors.
They're pretty.
Hey, Baba. Hey, Baba. Can hear birds all around. Wow. Oh. Well, it looks blue from far. Like kind of have like the Blue Lagoon kind of look.
Yeah, like a blue lagoon.
Oh, there's someone all the way up there.
Where?
Look up there.
Shit.
Yeah.
Not a suicide.
Someone here probably invading people's privacy.
People swimming.
See, I taking picture.
Yeah. Taking photos for the gram, you know.
Yeah, Instagram photo. These things look nice.
Yeah, they're called jacarandas.
Okay.
Jacaranda.
I like the colors. You know, some trees are not flowers, but you just like the blossoms on it.
Yeah.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really nice. Oh, wow. Oh, baby.
Oh shit, sorry.
No problem. I love the look. Yeah, it has a different look. Yeah, it definitely.
Pretty. Usually, it gets quite blue, really blue.
Yeah.
Oh, look, a dragon.
Yeah.
I dare you to jump in. Babe, why don't you swim in it?
I don't know about that. Unless the temperature of it is, it's
No.
not too bad.
Touch it.
I'll try to touch it. Hopefully. Oh my goodness. Let me test it. It doesn't feel too bad like the waterfalls that we went to. Possibly. I don't know yet, guys. Let's see what happens. So there's some little birds in it as well. It would be possibly hard to see them right now, but they're very tiny, like some ducks. Yeah, they're just swimming along. Yeah, I'm loving it, guys. It's beautiful.
Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm loving Australia, guys. Noise. There's a little heart here. I wish love for everyone. What's that? Life, we are blessed. Life, we are blessed. Yeah, it's beautiful. People decorate this tree. Some tags and stuff on it. Their names, something. Drone in the sky, guys. Bring it over to you. Oh, baby's the pilot.
I'm gonna land it.
That side comes down slowly. And it's off. Yeah, successful mission.
Successfully. You're done.
Yeah, guys.
Awesome.
Nice.
Daddy's got to swim.
Alright, guys, so decided I'm gonna go in the water. I don't know. I'm scared. Since I've been here, I haven't gone in the water yet, so I don't know. Let's see how that happens.
Go on, I got him. I got him.
Yeah. You wanna hold it?
Oh, I thought you were going to take it in with you. Oh, alright. That's okay. I'll hold it. Daddy's going in.
Oh my god.
Daddy's going in. Do it for Jamaica, man.
Oh my god. I'm not used to this temperature,
You'll be alright. Woo! Go, Dad!
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold? Really? Oh. You won't say that in summer. Our summers are really hot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Especially if we had one like last year.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah. I'm hoping for a real hot one.
Huh?
I'm hoping for a real hot one.
Mom!
Dad! Mum's holding you. Nice?
Mom!
Not too bad, no?
Not too bad. Once you get in, you're right. Isla wants to go with you. Is it deep?
Mom! Mom!
Dad! No, Dad's gonna get out now. Because we're gonna go. We're gonna go get something to eat. Island. Next time, Island. Next time. How was that, mister?
Good.
Yeah.
It is refreshing.
Refreshing. Are you cold now getting out? Yeah. You didn't take the GoPro in. See if you can see anything under the water.
Let's see. Alright.
I'm considering
Oh, it gets really deep. It gets deep quick, guys. Hey, boo boo. Hey, boo boo.
Jump in too, but because it's a bit cold, otherwise I'll get sick.
Yeah, too cold. That's nice, guys. Yeah, guys, so that water was very refreshing. Yeah, it was very cold at first, but as you know, normally when you're in the water for a little while, your body kind of get, you know, start adjusting to it. So that was really good. Yeah, so now we're leaving here now, and we're probably gonna go somewhere else, right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what's up. Yeah, little Bubba here walking. Brum brum.
There's the trail to go up to.
Yeah, it's a trail, guys. You go up on the top there.
Careful.
Ellen boy, come on,
Come on, boy.
let's go.
Yay. Come on. Run.
Picking flower. You Bubba? Let's go.
Mom!
Why is it gorgeous, boy? So beautiful.